show.
Saturday.
Saturday
And what is the name of the
last
show?
Black Moon is the name
Black
of the
Moon.
show.
Black Moon.
Yeah, at
Black Moon.
Kexer.
Okay, the ticket still 100 rand.
Yes. Tickets 100 rand. Black Moon and Muna. Right now, I'm buying my 3 tickets as I speak to you. Right now.
Molweni, into endiyithandayo nge-acting,
Right.
ukuthi uyakwazi ukuthi usihile wena self.
Right.
And also ndonwaba mina if xa nenza into umuntu athi kimi athi hey man uyifumana phi le way ndithi hayi mina iphuma phaa phezulu.
Right.
I don't think I would have made a good doctor. I don't think if ngaba ipolisa benza mhlawumbe ngabe ngoku ndisekumadlanga ngoku. So
General Siputa. General Siputa.
Lieutenant General Siputa ubanjwe ngantontoni.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So ndijonga indlela yami ukuthi ndifika apha.
Right.
Ndicinga uba uThixo bekangibekele yona because easily I could have been a soccer star.
Oh.
Yeah, easily, but ndalimala. Oh. Funny enough, ndathi man ithi ndisa neshisa injury yam. Ithi ni try acting. Ikanti ndizawubanjwa. Nangoku.
Oh, ayigili acting.
Yeah. Yeah, ndichayisile andifuna uxoka.
Oh.
Andi
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe. A giant of South African stage and screen has taken his final bow. We are deeply saddened by the passing of the legendary actor Osebutla Sebekgodu. I think I'm getting pronounced wrong, but Sebekgodi. Yeah, whose remarkable career shaped generation of South African storytelling, from unforgettable performances on television to a powerful presence on stage. His contribution to arts has lived an enduring legacy that will continue to inspire for years to come. Our heartfelt condolences to his family, friends, and colleagues. May his legacy live on through the stories he told and the countless artists inspired. Rest in power, Ntate Sebutla Sebekgodu. And to think 2 weeks back he was trending, people thinking he's now poor, and Kanti we are not knowing ukuthi his time has finally come. But guys, we won't know. We won't know. He had diabetes. His family account confirmile yathi ushone nge 15 zika July. People saw the way he was sitting and ngapha he's aging, ngapha Ilya Begliana, and thought maybe he's going poor. Kanti no. It was just aging, Jay, nothing much. Thank you guys for watching. What are your thoughts on this?